Oh, I was in the messages under the levels of place with it. First understand it. You are not some great man or nothing. You are just a puppet tool of everybody. Who are all coming to support also will be spoiled. That's the thing. That is sure to you. And you are what oh, I know that how my father used to create problems in home. Okay, and that it will be a headache for everybody. That's the reason after understanding it. That is because you are the nation's power top. That's the reason the previously these all fellows are telling the arrogance and that you should give biscuit to them in case and put like it. I don't know, these all things, how the way you are being scared or you are being propagated, that way you will go. And how to take and this not an cultural way for executing her or boasting culture for criminal fraud. She is just acting and now yesterday that person was telling that Manochin Patel culture of fraud. That you are telling that Ashok Gehlot also will be in the now the rear end, and for what bad basis this Ashok Gehlot is again into the first throw to that bastard. He's a double. Also don't blindly believe this Priyanka. Although she said actually it's we cannot blame her because my sister she became double like she's the one disaster spoiling was desperately trying to kill me and my mother as per this double sensation. That is the same thing this Priyanka also. Don't believe that because she is completely under that devil's control. That push on it's a culture of 40 bloody and rot speechless culture of poisonous venom. Please, that kind of a culture of party. He will act so nice nowadays. The messages are they are putting in the nice way. Actually, since I disclosed the previous things, that's the reason. I want the culture of party down. So that's the reason. Day first also these fellows in the night. This fellows have kept poisonous gas or anything because here the camera is there in the below. That camera has been turned and the culture of party is a bastard. And it's nobody is doing anything good for you. It's for completely spoiling you and you will be ending up like previously how was Nyamati, everybody felt that much worse than that you will end up. That's something. And this none of these leaders and not culture of parties not having minimum eligibility, your common sense or nothing. And your ego attitude on the culture of parties with penny and a culture of what where we'll get a chance to chuck and that Mohan English can never as a kind of culture of prayer or cooling bastards. That's the thing. Or chucking a girl is not Carlo will be good. With this point of view, you are not some superhero to chuck. Okay, has to have some comment. A man will not be man's ability is not like that to project. Okay. And if you want to leave, and actually none of these fellows your mother also she cannot do anything. She become a puppet of these all fellows who are utilizing her also like that. And all her activity and her family was utilizing her. That's the thing. And they only learned into all the frauds and that under that battalion so on to enjoy that. The nation also got spoiled everything. So these don't think that this Modi or Amisha will leave you fellows into give power, and because now these levels are doing much level of frauds in the international level and they have plans and they won't let you and I don't think that you can become the prime minister because now this is what you are just a puppet and it will be a disaster to the nation. Okay, that's the thing. And it is Priyanka in jail. And none of the conquest leaders of culture of not even have eligibility. Everybody, actually, there is no point in blaming Malayalam Kerala lobby. And I went to meet some other people. Some people, many people I went to meet. Everybody's attitude, humor. So this is the thing to people. That's what these fellows also doing this much. The way their attitude and culture of parties and their political system has to revamp. So don't get excited and go and dump into that kind of septic tank and all. Okay. So this stay cool and stay there. And that I told you to do Surya Namaskar in the early morning. That morning sunlight should come to your forehead. 12 round you do. That be yourself emotionally strong. Okay. Then only you can you can accommodate another person. Okay, not like Michelle Chapatal when somebody is vagina sucking. That is not some ability. Okay, that you need to understand. Ending up and that you all go all the screw and that never ever believe that is the Kanishka. What Kaushal that Alangar is all culture of parties, street dogs. They are the much more than leaders. They are selling you and a culture of boxers. Throw them out as soon as possible. And that party. These are all culture of parties, street dogs. That flag that is stick around some battalion of see if there are multiple people that only create more problems. Okay, vulnerability. and don't think that you see has just understand how was the previous thing and how you these all devils are desperate. This Pushpagal, you desperately wanted that I should not this